Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix a could not refresh feed problem on Instagram in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad and when you have opened your Instagram and facing the issue that could not refresh feed, I'll help you how can you fix this problem and how can you remove your could not refresh feed from your Instagram. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to scroll it below. From here you have to click on general, and guys now you need to scroll it down, click on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN here, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back. And guys, after this maybe there is network settings problem. So guys, simply you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. Here you need to put your passcode, and after this your network settings will be reset, and guys now your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to click on language and region, and from here you have to select your own region according to your country. And now you have to go back, and guys after this you need to click on date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And guys after this you need to check for iOS update. Maybe there's iOS update problem. So guys, when you have update your iPhone to latest iOS version, your problem will be fixed. And guys after this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and still having this issue again and again, so guys now you have to open your app store on your iPhone or iPad, and here you need to search Instagram. So guys, after searching here Instagram, you need to open your Instagram app and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then you need to go back, open your settings here and click on general and click on iPhone storage. And after this you have to open your Instagram app here and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.